Is your Sony TV screen showing double images, weird lines, or just staying completely black? Don't toss it out yet, because we are going to fix that display right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. These picture issues usually happen due to loose internal ribbon cables, static buildup on the T-Con board, or signal interference from your connected devices. Let's get that crystal clear 4K image back with 10 advanced hardware solutions. Step 1. The hard power reset. Unplug the TV from the wall and hold the power button on the actual TV panel for 30 seconds. This clears the temporary memory and resets the display driver. Step 2. Reseat your HDMI 2.1 cables. Unplug every cable from the back of the TV and plug them back in firmly. A slightly loose connection is the #1 cause of flickering lines and ghosting. Step 3. Test the tape fix method for double images. This is an advanced trick where you place a tiny piece of clear tape over specific pins on the LVDS ribbon cable inside the TV. It blocks the faulty signal, causing the double image. Step 4. Clean the T-Con board connectors. If you are comfortable opening the back panel, unplug the wide ribbon cables and wipe the golden contacts with a bit of isopropyl alcohol. Dust here often causes vertical lines. Step 5. Disable all motion smoothing features. Go into your picture settings and turn off motion flow and Cinemotion. Sometimes, the software processing creates a soap opera effect that looks like a double image. Step 6. Check for electromagnetic interference. Move any large speakers, subwoofers, or your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi router away from the TV. These devices can emit signals that distort the picture. Step 7. Perform a panel self-test. Press the home button on your remote. If the menus look perfect but your cable box looks blurry, the issue is your external device and not the Sony screen itself. Step 8. Toggle the power saving mode. Turn off the eco or power saving settings in the system menu. These modes can lower the voltage to the backlight, causing the screen to appear black or dim. Step 9. Update your firmware using a USB drive. If your screen is black but you have sound, download the latest software on a PC and plug the drive into the TV. An outdated system can sometimes fail to wake up the display panel. Step 10. Inspect the LVDS cable for pinches. Ensure the internal cables aren't being pinched by the back cover. Even a small amount of pressure on these wires can cause horizontal lines to appear across the screen. Here's a pro tip. If you see vertical lines that change color when you tap the frame, it is likely a loose tab bond. Applying a small non-conductive foam pad between the frame and the ribbon cable can often restore the connection. If you are facing any difficulty with these steps, leave a comment below. I will reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you get it sorted. Please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes if this helped you save your TV. You can do this, and your Sony TV will be looking brand new again.